Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about 2023 Ferrari F8, so let's get started. In 2020, the Ferrari 488 became its successor, the beautiful F8. We say modified because the F8 is not as new as its name suggests, but a better version of its predecessor, the 488, a combination of the 488 Pista engine and a lot of weight, styling and aerodynamics. The F8 hasn't changed much since its introduction. The mid-mounted, compact 3.9-liter V8 engine is equipped with twin turbos and delivers 710 horsepower and 568 pound-feet of torque to the rear wheels. It's great to drive and fast, with the amazing performance you'd expect from a performance machine. The power seems to be endless, the steering is light but precise, the carbon ceramic brakes are powerful, and the suspension can be raised to provide a comfortable ride. The F8 is powered by sophisticated software that emphasizes driver input to ensure quick and smooth acceleration. Being a Ferrari, buyers can describe it as fancy however they want, but all 2023 models will be built like convertible spiders, and the Tributo Coupe is a thing of the past. What's new for 2023? The only notable change for the 2023 model year is that all F8 models built will be available in a flexible spider configuration. Tributo Coupes will not be produced. With the Tributo Coupe now out of production, there is no other option, it's a spider or something. Don't worry, the Spider drives like the Tributo and comes in one trim that is loaded with amenities. Also, we always choose the Spider convertible even if it costs more than the Coupe because it is even more wooden. As you would expect from a super expensive car, Ferrari offers options that allow for a custom look, including a large selection of cloth options. In addition, improvements are offered such as titanium exhaust pipes and carbon fiber exterior materials. You can choose from brake calipers in many different colors. Engine, transmission, and performance. The F8 Spider is powered by a twin-turbocharged 3.9-liter V8 that produces 710 horsepower and 568 pound-feet of torque. And in this era of hybrid exoticism, F8 remains without electric power. All models are rear-wheel drive with a 7-speed automatic transmission that changes gears. This Ferrari is quick to leave an immortal impression. We drove the original and similar F8 Tributo on Italian city circuits and on our coastal roads. We also rode on the Sun Deck, which proved to be as fast and fun as it is. The catch is fair and rewarding. The Ferrari engine makes a pleasant noise as it does its work, and the brakes do a great job of bringing it down to speed. Fuel economy and MPG. The F8 is rated at 15 miles per gallon in the city and between 18 and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. That's a little better than you'll get from rivals like the Lamborghini Huracan, up to 13-18 mpg. We haven't had a chance to race the Ferrari on our fuel economy highway at 75 miles per hour as part of our extensive testing program, so we can't really measure its MPG. For more information on F8 fuel, room, comfort, and fit. The Spider F8 seats 2 passengers in a spacious interior to provide a comfortable living space. Various trims and accessories help give the interior a performance-based aesthetic that matches that of the car's sheet metal. Rear view is obstructed by rear louvres. Most exotics have limited cargo space, and the F8 is no exception. Infotainment and connectivity. The Spider F8 comes with a 6-speaker sound system and Bluetooth phone and audio streaming. The list of standard technical features also includes a pair of LCD screens and an integrated navigation system with voice activation function. The options list includes a 7.0-inch touchscreen. Apple CarPlay integration is provided, but Android Auto is not. Safety and driving assistance services. Supercars often have driver assistance technology, and that's the case with the F8. An application such as a blind spot warning system is not provided. For more information on F8 crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA) and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety (IIHS) websites. Basic safety features include standard backup, standard rear parking sensors. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future. Comment down what next review you guys want. See you guys in next video, and thanks for watching.